How to fix Mobile Legends offline mode not working. I'm going to show you the ways to fix Mobile Legends offline mode not working issue. The issue might have occurred due to several reasons. However, to fix it, you can first of all try updating your app. If you haven't updated your application in a while, then it might be another reason. So go ahead and open up a Play Store. On the search box, type in Mobile Legends. And if you locate the following app, and here you have this option as update, then go ahead and press on it, and that should be able to fix your issue. And if the update doesn't seem to be working out, then you can also try clearing your cache as well as data. For that case, go ahead and open up your settings, and when you do that, you need to go ahead and locate apps and notification, and right on this page you need to go to see all apps, and from here you need to go ahead and locate Mobile Legends. And when you locate Mobile Legends, you need to go to storage and cache. Here you need to go ahead and click on clear cache as well as storage, and that should be able to fix your issue. However, if the issue still persists on, then you can also try restarting your device and reinstalling your Mobile Legends, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. If nothing seems to be working out, then contacting the support team would be an essential way to fix the issue. So that's how you can fix Mobile Legends offline mode not working. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.